The first question is very easy. It's a simple question. Also, you guys are required to turn your cameras on in the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. Also, we did discuss some questions from science in the previous class. So I have shared the PDF in the group. From there, you can see the questions and the answers are also given in that PDF. Okay, shall I move to the next question?
Sir, I didn't understand. What do we have to do?
Yes, sir.
You guys are not getting the question.
No, sir.
Okay. See, on a number line, if you are required to find a rational number between two given numbers, two rational numbers given, for example, there is 1 and there is 2. In order to find the rational number between 1 and 2, we simply add the two, add both of them, and then divide them by 2. That is 3 upon 2, meaning 1 upon 5 is the rational number that is found between 1 and
Yes, sir.
2. Okay, now decimals भी rational number होते हैं. Why is it so? Because 1 upon 5 can be written as 15 upon 10, where q is not equal to 0. Okay, now.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so that is what the question is saying.
Sir, but in the example, we can like 1 plus 2, we can add them. We can't add x and y, right?
You just have to apply a simple logic, you will be getting the answer. Like for example, you added 1 and 2 here. The value which you were getting 1.5, it came between 1 and 2. ये 1 और 2 के बीच में lie करता है.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, x and y are two numbers, two rational numbers here. So जब उनके बीच का rational number of find करेंगे, where they will be lying. Okay, shall I move to the next slide if you guys are done with this one? Okay, मैं क्या करता हूँ ना, I'm sharing the screenshot in the group. All right, now that will be convenient.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है?
Sir, will we discuss these questions in the class only?
We will discuss that. Okay, now I'm question number 2. You can check the group. I am sending the questions there as well.
Yes, sir.
Just hold on for 1 minute. All right now.
Yes, sir.
Question number 5. Question number 6. Last question. That is question number 7.
Sir, have I studied this chapter with you?
Which chapter?
The rational numbers.
Rational number.
Yes, sir.
I think when we were revising this chapter, yeah, Arhan, we revised this chapter no, when we started the revision. This is the first chapter which we took.
Sir, we
So
did mensuration as the first chapter.
Yes, sir. But
okay,
then
okay,
this chapter.
okay. This chapter was not done. Okay, but in school you must have studied this chapter then.
No, sir. So this exercise only in a school there are two exercises in the book. The first
Mhm.
exercise is there and the second is omitted.
Okay, okay. So if there are such questions which we haven't studied, then you can skip that. Okay,
Okay,
now.
sir.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Also, under a few minutes, under half an hour, I will revise this chapter as well. Rational number. Okay, now.
Excuse me, sir.
The concepts are very easy. Yes, sir. Han.
So what do we have to do in question number 2?
In question number 2, the question number 2 says the rational numbers 1 and 2 and -1 are on the opposite sides of 0 on the number line. In this question, you have to state whether the given statement is true or false. Whether ये true है
Okay,
या
sir.
फिर false है. Okay. Also, I have shared the questions in the group as well. You can check from there also. Okay. Done with the second question. I suppose question number 2 is not that much difficult. बहुत easy
Yes,
question
sir, I did.
है. Good. By the way, answer you guys can answer one extra question to me. That rational numbers are closed under the operations of addition. That is true.
Yes,
Under
sir.
the operation of subtraction. That is true. And multiplication. But is it true for division?
No, sir.
No. Okay, na? So rational
Yes, sir.
numbers are closed under addition, subtraction, and multiplication only. Okay. And addition of rational number is commutative also, right?
Yes, sir.
Associative as well. And they are distributive under addition as well. All right. Also, regarding the first question, between two rational numbers x and y, how many how many rational numbers you can find?
Yes, sir.
Between two given rational numbers, दो rational numbers given है आपके पास, इनके बीच कितने rational numbers आप find कर सकते हैं? Yeah.
Sir, they are even.
No, it's not about whether they are even or odd. नहीं, simply मैं कह रहा हूँ, see for example, this is a number line, numbers of 1 and 2. So between 1 and 2, how many rational numbers you can find?
Sir, infinite.
Infinite, exactly. Right now? Okay now. Because you can have values like this: 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, up to 2. Further also you can have more division. You can have it like this: 1.01, 1.02, 1.03, 1.04, and so on. You can continue like this as well. So you can have infinite number of rational numbers. Okay, continue. Yarham, which question you're solving?
It's a question number 4.
Okay. Farhan,
Sir,
Ahmed.
question number
Okay. What about you, Ahmed?
So for the fifth question, we have to draw the diagram.
By the help of diagram, you will be able to solve it more conveniently. So you can draw the diagram. Okay. Also try to solve the questions as quickly as possible so that we can discuss the questions in the same class. All right, guys.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you explain question number 3?
Question number 3. 1 minute.
So do we have to take two variables?
No. अभी हमने दो variables तो पढ़ा भी नहीं है. You will be studying that in higher classes. You have to use only one variable. Using only one variable, you can solve it. Question says that 5 years ago, Anu was thrice as old as Sonu, and after 10 years, Anu will be twice as old as Sonu. You have to find their current ages. Okay, now I can give you just one hint. Okay, what you can do: assume the age of Anu as A and assume the age of Sonu as S. Okay, now using this, you have to form two equations. दो hint मैंने आपको already दे दिया है. Okay, ना form equations. दो equations बनेंगे. Then you can solve it.
Okay, sir.
Mehmet isn't here in the class, no? No. You guys know now how to take consecutive integers?
So Arpan, I haven't studied that.
Okay. Which question you're solving, Arhan?
Sir, I'm on question number 4.
Okay. Arhan, tell me, what are the three consecutive integers which you will be taking here? तीन consecutive integers हमें लेने होते हैं. So how do we take that?
Sir, we would take the first integer as x, then we would take it x plus 1 and then x plus 2
Very
and
good.
then x plus 3.
You have to take only three now. X plus 1 and then x plus 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. So Arham, you have got the hint for this to solve this question. Question number 4 के लिए आपको hint मिल चुका है. Okay, ना? Three consecutive integers are as follows.
So I got the answer.
Got the answer for this one, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. By the way, done with question number 5 or not?
Sir, in question number 4, I just took random numbers and I multiplied it by the numbers and I got 56.
What were the random numbers you took?
Yes, sir.
Look, Basically, in mathematics, many times now you might get the answer, but the procedure might be wrong.
Yes, sir.
है ना? So you have to follow up this procedure. Okay. ना?
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys, try to solve it as quickly as possible.
So in question number 4, my answer is coming in decimals.
In question number 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay, solve it. I will check it later. Okay, now move on to solve the next question. First of all, in order to solve question number 5, you have to remember the properties of the parallelogram.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like you need to know that whether the opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal to each other or not. What is the
Yes,
sum
sir.
of the two adjacent angles? Are they supplementary? Are they complementary?
Yes, sir.
ये चीजें आपको पता होंगी, then you will be able to solve it very easily. The maths exam is on 20th, right, Arham?
Sir, 25th.
25th. Okay.
Yes, sir.
By the way, guys, today now I might be traveling, so there's a possibility that class might be scheduled postponed 1 hour. Okay, now for 1 hour it might be postponed.
Tomorrow, sir.
Tomorrow, there's a possibility that if I don't reach on time, then the class will be postponed for 1 hour.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ना? Usual time से 1 घंटे class आगे होगी. There's a possibility. Okay.
So, what is internal bisectors?
Internal bisectors. See, for example, there's a given angle. A given angle, let's say this. Okay, na? So the line that will be dividing it into two equal halves. Let's suppose this is 60 degree. So, so there's a line which is bisecting it into two equal halves, 30 degree and 30 degree. So thereby that is called as a bisector, angle bisector is हम कहते हैं, right now.
Yes, sir.
So you can have the internal bisectors in the given parallelogram also, namely this one and this one. So internally the angles are being bisected and they are meeting at point 2. So in this one, what you have to find? You have to find the measure of three angles of BCO. And what is the measure of this one? What is the measure of this one and this one? Okay, attempt to solve this one. If not, I will be helping. Again, if you know the property now, then you will be able to solve it very easily. Properties ke, what is the opposite angles of a parallelogram? Are they
They're the
equal or not?
same like the question number 4, right?
Question number 4 is a little bit different now. Question number 4, where you saying, or question
It's
number
like question
5?
number 5. 5, 5.
No, no, both of them are different. Here you have to find the measure of all the four angles. What is A, B, C, and D? And here you have to find only these three angles. Let me mark it. 1, 2, and 3. Arhan, you're getting the question now. Arham.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you guys solved the first 5 questions or not?
Sir, I'm solving the fifth one.
By the way, none of the questions I have taken from NCRT. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
You guys will be skipping the question number 7. All right now?
Okay, sir.
Mhm.
So we have to, we don't have to.
You have to skip question number 7.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Don't solve that question. Which question you guys are solving?
Sir, sixth question.
Sixth one. Arham?
So I'm done with question number 5.
Okay, okay, good. Solve question number 6. Okay, after 2 or 3 minutes, I will be stopping the test so that we can discuss the questions as well.
There are only 6 questions.
Only 6 questions. The last question I mistakenly took that. That is not related to the syllabus. Okay, now. Question number 6, you guys might find it a little bit difficult. Okay, now. So if you are not able to solve it, please do let me know. Okay, first of all, you tell me, is anyone able to find the value of angle 3? What is the measurement of angle 3?
No, sir, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Okay, we are left with only 20 minutes. All right now. So let's stop the test here. You guys can give your answer in the group. All right now. I'm starting to discuss, going to start
Sir,
discussing
I'm
question number 1.
almost done with the question number 6.
Okay, okay. What about you, Arham? Okay, you guys are done or not?
So just one. Sir, I'm done.
Done? Okay. Arham, what about you? Hello? Yes, Arham. Okay. Arhan, submit your answer in the group. We are going to start discussing from question number 1.
Okay, sir.
So x plus y upon 2 is a rational number. So basically, as we studied on a number line, in order to find the rational number, it will be given two rational numbers. For example, 1 and 2 के बीच में हमें rational number find करना होता है. So thereby you simply add them 1 plus 2 and then divide by 2. So similarly here the values were given as x plus y. So we'll be dividing with 2. And this will be giving you a value that lies between the two given rational number. So option number A is the correct one. Getting it now? So whoever is getting option number A is the correct one, their answer is correct. Question number 2. So when you draw the number line, this side positive numbers are there, this side negative numbers are there. The rational numbers 1 upon 2 and minus 1 are on the opposite sides of 0 on the number line. Exactly. The given statement is true. Getting it now, Arham?
Sir, it's true.
Yeah, it is true.
Okay, sir.
See, this is 1, this is 2. And this is where 1 upon 2 will be lying. Right now? And minus 1 is where? This is minus 1. So they are on the opposite sides on the number line now. Okay now. Okay. Now talking about this question here. Yeah, Arham, please do let me know. I haven't heard from you for the past few minutes. Is Arham, are you there in the class or not? Is he audible to you, Arhan?
No, sir, you're not.
Okay, let's solve question number 3. So according to the given question here now, 5 years ago, Anu was thrice as old as Sonu. So we can form an equation. According to the question, Anu ka present age, let's say it is A. Now the question says that 5 years ago, let's say कि हम subtract करना होगा, पीछे जाना होगा 5 साल, so subtract minus 5 from it. So according to the question, it says that Anu was thrice as old as Sonu. But Sonu की भी तो age हम backwards count करेंगे ना 5 साल पहले. So minus 5 करना होगा हमें. Getting it now? So Anu's age
Sir, I
5 years
sent the
ago.
solution.
You have sent now. Okay, okay. Just match from the answer which I am getting here. Okay now. So this is the first equation you will be getting. Now in the second part of the question, it says that after 10 years, Anu will be twice as old as Son. यानी कि second equation क्या कहता है कि a plus 10 equals to s plus 10 twice. Anu's age after 10 years will be twice of the age of Sonu. So then you are having two equations. दो equations आपको मिल चुके हैं. Upon solving it, you will be able to get the value. Okay now?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Arhan.
Sir, can we solve it in any other way?
We can solve it in any other ways also. Like you can solve it using x and y also. Which
Sir,
method you have used?
I formed the equation as x minus 5 plus 10 equals to 3x 3 into x minus 5 plus 10.
Okay, and what answer you are getting?
Sir, I got x as 5 and 3x as 15.
No, no. If you were to look at the given question, does that satisfy the given question? You are getting the age of Sonu and of Anu and Sonu as 5 and 15. ये आपने age find किया है ना Anu and Sonu का, right Erhan?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, but in the question it says that 5 years ago Anu was thrice as old as Sonu. 5 years ago. ठीक है 5 साल पहले हम चलते तो 5 साल पहले तो सोनू एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करती थी, सॉरी अनु एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता था, राइट ना 5 minus 5 that is 0. और फिर अगर इसकी बात करते हैं 5 years ago it was 10 years, so thrice तो बात ही नहीं हो रही है. Arhan, getting it the question?
Yes, sir.
So the answer you are getting that is not correct. Look at the given solution here. Have you understood the two equations so far or not?
Yes, sir.
So let's simplify the given equations first. पहले equation को हम solve करते हैं. A minus 5 that is 3s minus 15. Okay ना? So that is A equals to 3s minus 15 plus 5. So A is 3s minus 10. Right now? Okay. ये भी हमें third equation मिला है. Now let's solve the second equation. That is A plus 10 equals to 2s plus 20. Alright now? So thereby A equals to 2s plus 20 minus 10. That is A equals to 2s plus 10. Fourth equation हमें मिला अभी. Getting it so far? Alright now? So now what you can do here now, either you can equate the two. इन दोनों इक्वेशन को आप इक्वेट कर सकते हैं. So let's solve it. 3s minus 10 equals to 2s plus 10. So after solving it, you will be getting s equals to 20. No, just wait a minute. Not s equals to 20. See what we will be going to do now. What we are going to do, we have find the value of a equals to 3s minus 10. a के लिए क्या हमें वैल्यू मिला है 3s minus 10. Now you can put the value of a in the second equation. Put this in second equation. So thereby it will be a plus 10 equals to 2 times s plus 10. The value of a is 3s minus 10. So thereby you will be putting it here. 3s minus 10 plus 10 equals to 2s plus 20. Further, you will be cancelling this minus 10 and this plus 10. I'm writing it over here, not sufficient space. So this becomes 3s equals to 3s minus 2s equals to 20. Yeah, we are getting 20 in this one also. All right now. So the value of s is 20 here. Getting it now. So the age of Sonu was 20 in this case, right? And talking about the age of A, you can find that also by putting the value of s, that is 20, in any of the equations. For example, you can put it in this third equation also. So thereby the age of A is 3 times 20 minus 10, that is 60 minus 10, that is 50. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
Now you can cross check it also. आप cross check भी से कर सकते हैं. How? The present ages of Sonu and Anu are as follows. Anu का हमने find किया है, her age is 50. Sonu का age हमने कितना find किया? 20. Read the first part of the question, which was saying that 5 years ago Anu was thrice as old as Sonu. Right now, 5 साल पहले, it means कि it is 40, she was 45 and she was 15. So we can see that Anu was thrice as old as Sonu. Sonu की age 15 years थी, and her age was 3 times of it, that is 45. Getting it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now looking at the second part of the question, which was saying that after 10 years, so 10 साल के बाद इनकी ages क्या होंगी? 50 plus 10 60, and this is 30. So now this is the age of Anu and this is Sonu. And हम क्या देखते हैं? The age of Anu is almost just double of Sonu. Is that clear to both of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? In question number 4, you have assumed that, okay, anyone who got the same values which I am getting, 50 and 20 years age?
No, sir.
No. Explanation is clear, no? Okay. So 3 consecutive integers are as follows: x plus 1 and x plus 2. You have to multiply them with 2, then with 3, and then with 4. And further, when you add them, it should be equal to 56. What are the given integers? So thereby 2x plus 3x plus 3, sorry, plus 4x plus 8, it should be equal to 56. Right now? So thereby
Yes,
it is 9x plus 11, right? Equals to 56. So 9x will be 44 here. Sorry, 45, no? 45. And x equals to 5. So thereby the
yes, sir.
given integers were 5,
5, 6, 7.
6, 7. No, not 5, 6, 7. We have to multiply them with this also, no? नहीं, लेकिन originally तो हमारे integers
Yes,
5
sir.
and 6 and 7 होंगे, right? No? Later
Yes, sir.
on we multiplied them with 2, 3 and 4. Then the
Then it will
addition
be
came to
24.
56.
26.
Hmm. So this is the given answer. Anyone who got the same values?
Yes, sir. I
No,
got.
sir.
No. Arham, you got, no? Okay, good. Okay, now looking at question number 5, you have to know. Okay, first of all, you guys tell your answers to me.
So 47, 47, and 133 and 133.
Same, sir.
Okay, same. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First property, we know that the sum of two adjacent angles A and D is supplementary. That is 180 degree होना चाहिए ये.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? And we know that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal to each
Equal.
other. So simply equate angle A and angle C. Simply हम equate
Yes, sir.
करेंगे. Angle A equals to angle C, that is 3x plus 5 equals to 61 minus x. So that is 4x equals to 61 minus 5,
56.
that is
56.
56. And x equals to 40. Right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you will be putting this x value in this one. That is 42 plus 5, no? 47. So
Yes, sir.
this one is
47.
47. This one is also 47 because opposite angle hai.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no? Also 61 minus
133 and
14 is
133.
47. And this one is 133 and 133. Very good. Okay, you guys tell me what values you guys have got for this question.
Um, uh, Sir, I got 40 degrees, 50 degrees, and 90 degrees.
Okay, namely for angle 3, what answer you're getting?
Sir, for angle 3, I got 90 degree.
No, this angle 3, this one. Angle BCO. How come it be 90 degree?
Sir, let
Understood?
me check again. I'll.
Okay. First of all, looking at angle number
Sir, I
D,
got 40 degree.
40, no? Very good. Guys, when you look at angle number D, this will be 100 degree.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
no? So thereby this complete angle should also be 100 degree, right now? And we know that these are the bisectors of the given angle. ये bisected hai. So this much part is 50 and this much part is also 50. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
This whole angle is equal to 80 degree. This whole angle is 80. So the bisector will be dividing it into two equal halves, that is 40 and 40. Okay, now? So you have the two angles of the triangle, 40 and 50. So obviously this angle BOC is going to be 90 degree.
Yes,
Right
sir.
now? 90 plus 50 plus 40, that is 180 degree. Okay, how many of you got the answer same as we were getting?
Sir, I got.
Okay, what about you, Arham? Yeah, Arham, I think you
Yes,
are
sir.
having some audio mic issue today. You got the answer or not for this one?
I didn't get the same answer.
Okay, okay. So by checking at your answer, you guys tell me how many you got correct.
Sir,
Mhm.
3 out of 6.
3 out of 6. Okay, where did you went wrong? In question number one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it should be between x and y. This one you guys got true or false? Arhan, you got false, I think, huh?
Sir, I got 2.
True. Arham, what about you? Yeah, Arham. Okay. The third one, you are not getting the value for this one, okay, no? Okay. Okay, so where the questions too tough? Do tell me. Yes, I suppose the questions are not that much tough.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no? Hmm. So in the next class, in few minutes, basically rational number में बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ concept है नहीं. So in just a few minutes, we will be revising that. Okay, now? Okay. And again, in the next class also, we will be basically practicing more and more questions. All right. So that's it for today. We are going to meet in next class. Allah Hafiz.
Office, sir.